And welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Tuesday, March the 12th, 2019. Well, let's take a look and see how these markets ended up today. And if we take a look at the Qs, you can see we had our, another nice day up. We are well above the 200 here. We're above the 20. We're above the 50. Looking real good. We do have a little bit of a topping tail there, but just a little minor pullback at the end of the day there. But the Qs are looking real strong. So let's take a look at the spider, see how they're doing. And as we get a look here, we can see the 200 is way down here, the 20 is up here. Got a little bit of a topping tail. Let's look at volume or relative volume. Fairly heavy day today, as you can see there. If you want to look at it on the graph, you can look right down here. And basically, a lot of tails, on both sides. So a little bit of volatility here as we travel through this day. It'll be interesting to see where tomorrow holds out. But nice day for today. Look at the diamonds, though. A little different story here. You can see here we did have a pullback on the diamonds. And they came down, bounced around a little bit, and had a little bit of a loss there. And let's take a look, see if we can figure out why that was. And let's go ahead and take a look at Boeing, as they have been having some issues. And if we take a look at Boeing, we can see that yesterday they gapped down, but then they came up and closed up, near the high of the day. But today we had another gap down, and then pretty much continue to draw back as they were having some problems after the second crash of one of those new jets they have. So Dow having some issues there, weighing the Boeing is weighing the diamonds down a little bit. But let's see what happens as we go on from there. Now let's go ahead and jump into Holly and see how she did. Holly Grill had 7 trades today for a profit of 7 cents. Risk on profit was $2.30. Her best trade of the day in the risk off category was FRPT. She got out for a timed exit, 45-cent profit. Had you held till the end of the day, you would have given some of it back, only 36 cents. Her best trade from the risk-on category was Ions, and she got out for a profit save at 12 cents and ended up making 91 cents for the day. Okay, now let's move on to Holly 2.0. She had 4 trades there for a profit of 14 cents. Risk on profit $1.01, and her best trade in the risk off was HYRE, 13 cents. Got out for a profit save. But as what often happens, those trades after she gets out, they kick in, and look at that, $1.06 had you held till the end of the day. So very nice trade from Holly 2.0. And if we take a look at Holly Neo, let's go ahead and move these charts up so that we can see that just a little bit better. Had 9 trades there for $1.98 profit. Risk on loss of $1.56. Let's see if we can figure out what happened here. We had PETQ was the engulf strategy, made 84 cents profit, and then it turned around. Had you held it till the end of the day, you would have only made a 4-cent profit. And her best trade in the risk on was GLIBA. She got out for a timed exit at 46 cents. And had you held it till the end of the day, you had 60 cents. So that is your Holly for today. Now let's go ahead and bring in the Excel spreadsheet that we like to do to get a look at it and see how that did for the day. And we can see here we had 20 trades for the day. $2.19 was our risk on profit. $1.75. I apologize. $2.19 was the profit. $1.75 was the risk on profit. For the week, we're sitting at 41 trades. $4.80 was the profit. $7.14 is the risk on profit.